My people, I don bring una latest update from Sunday Igboho. Hey, this one na part 2. Una no go believe wetin happen after that first time wey the whole matter cause chaos. My people, now Sunday don enter Ogun State. They say after that first one, say e be like say na im plan now, e go state by state. They raid all those headsmen wey dey there. As I dey talk to una now, im don enter Ogun State, say they go chase all those headsmen wey dey there. But that one no be even the problem. Ogun State governor too don come outside, come dey blast Sunday. They tell Sunday say they no ask am for help, say they no need am. So make Sunday leave Ogun State alone. Hey, Chineke. So people no just like better thing for this life wey dey come. They see good things, but they know to them, I don't understand human beings. You no fit please human being for this world. If only Ogun State governor know the kind gold wey Sunday be now to Nigeria, he no go dey talk all this one wey dey talk. Many states dey die for this kind person wey go come their state come help them. You just sit down say you no need them. I no blame you now. I go blame you when you only you get like 100 bodyguards. You know say no how nothing go even touch you. Abeg, you no need them, but we need them. Abi my Ogun State people, how far? We need this guy. You understand? Even if governors no need them, those wey no fit help themselves, they need them. So it is very, very important. I don't understand why this one they come out. You una see the reason why they talk say all these people they selfish. If you dey think of people, you no go even come outside they make this kind of statement. You know say you on your own as governor, your responsibility self you no fit do am. Person don't come now, come take over your responsibility instead of make you happy. See wetin dey come out from your mouth. Chineke. See. My people, Sunday, this guy wanna dey see like this. He get mind like Nigeria dey in heart. Now only person like this fit do this kind of thing. Imagine after they destroy a mansion. Una remember say they burn in house. After that one, still. If na other people they don't give up, they go say waiting. Now me born Nigeria. I be na me. You understand? Una know the kind of statement when people they make. But this guy up till now, he still dey there. For now to see say this one na hero. All these wetin they call them fellow Yoruba people wey they suppose even stand, they join this one, they fight. Wait, the way that one name Tinubu and Co. Una come see una Yoruba person o, come see am. Na only una pocket. Una just dey think of una pocket. See this one now. I wish say we fit get. I wish say this man fit just duplicate himself. In fact, triplicate himself. Abi which English they call that one? Make it dey inside all the states for Nigeria. See, Nigeria go better. Try. See, Yoruba people now, they defend each other. Everybody they like, you don't understand. And they talk about those people where they even inside politics. They defend Sunday because they be one. And they just say if na Igbo person sit down on top that matter, say they fight headsmen and things. If na Igbo person, all the Igbo politicians now so they go just wash their hands, come up for the case. But see am, I just dey hope say una dey learn. Because me, tomorrow I no wan hear one thing. But now my only fear now be say this guy. See, make you watch him back. Make you watch him back because Nigeria no sabi appreciate good thing o. People wey dey support you now, they hail you, they give you, Sunday I'm with you. They no dey with you anything. Now so they go talk now. Now these same people go pass behind you now, betray you. Abeg, watch your back. It dey very, very important. You understand? Because this guy now gold. If na another country now, by now they don't give this guy one better post. You know what it mean to fight? You know they fight one family. You know they fight 100 people. This one a country. You know what it be the una think say na joke. Some people go even use spiritual attack am. Some go use physical attack am. E no dey easy. So abeg government, I know say make I no even talk the one way I want talk now before una go talk say I don start. Abeg, I beg, na beg I dey beg. In fact, I am very humble. This guy like this, make una protect am. I no wan hear tomorrow say another story don come. You understand? Make una protect am. See person wey dey come fight for peace and security. For una to see say Buhari, in fact Buhari and im whole administration, they don fail woefully. Na citizen now dey do president work. Citizen. Hi! When na Buhari suppose dey war front or sending people say, okay, my citizen, you suppose protect them. Mbanu. He on his own, he dey there, dey drink milk and sugar. Citizen na dey fight. Shame suppose dey catch all of una like this. All of una wey dey government, shame suppose dey catch una. And the thing wey even dey pain me upon the fact say citizen dey do your work as president. You even be wan send people, headsmen, abi northerners, to even go attack am. Why una dey think with under una leg, abi with una head? Because sometimes I no just understand where una dey go. Una no even know left from right, right from left. Na God go help una. Me, as I sit down like this, na 2023 just dey my mind. All I think of is 2023. Abi my people. Hey! Abeg, another interesting matter dey here o. Why Sunday and Ogun State governor dey do their own. My people, we get students for Abuja, University of Abuja, wey dey on fire right now. All in the name of school fees. Reduce school fees. School fees is too much. This one. They go say that they go protest. They no even go fight. Peaceful protest. Now these people go do. Say, okay, abeg, they no fit pay this kind of school fees. You understand? No be everybody rich. So may they try reduce. Now like this, so only this one. If you not see how uniform people start, they throw tear gas. They say let's say na animals they pursue. They don't even consider saying na human being lives there. They throw tear gas up and down, scatter everywhere. Abeg, for now, we no know wetin dey happen now for Abuja. Biko, join me, make we watch them. Anything protest now for Nigeria, now war. Now war. Even waiting no need violence. All these uniform people go turn out to war. Peaceful protest. Nobody carry knife. Nobody carry gun. Nobody insult anybody. They no go there to even fight. They just go there, say they pour out their heart as citizens, as per say they get right to talk. See wetin happen. See how people just they run. Una see for the video, everybody they run. I know. See Nigeria need help. Oh, no be the one way we they talk with English. Nigeria need help right now. After the thing wey happen for October 2020, una remember that incident wey happen? Because many of us we decide say we no will ever forget that date, never for our life. Wey dey kill us. After that thing wey happen, my people, both Buhari and uniform people, I'm not sure say they care about losing any youth. To them, even if youth die now, they don't even care. So as it is now, citizens don't even get right for freedom of speech, right for peaceful protest. They don't get again. Now, if you experience any bad thing, pain or no pain, you supposed die in silence. Now, what did they try to tell us now be this? If school fees no favor person no fit talk. My people, no be everybody get money. Oh. No be everybody get money. So people see, many of these university students wey they see, forget say they do big boys, big girls. Their parents, they fry akara. Na akara money they use pay their school fees. You understand me? So this protest, me I dey support am. I no blame una, government people. I no blame una. After all, na tax wey people pay All these students una dey see the tax wey their parents pay na wetin una dey use send una children go abroad. Na why the thing una dey do like una no even care wetin concern una. I no blame una, but I just dey pray for the day wey this thing go red for una eye. Hey, na that day me I go start my own Thanksgiving. I swear, any youth or citizens now, una go quickly attack them. Anything, as long as na youth or citizens, they go just sharp, they know they waste time, they go just start to attack them. But make Boko Haram come attack now, they go hide. Now that time they go do like say they are gone, they fall, like the thing no they work, say they need service am. Una no know. All these tear gas una dey use now for the citizens of this country, una no go use am. Una just see cowardness na im full all of una. All of you in uniform, you are just cowards. In fact, starting from the head, I no mention name, una but una understand. Cowardness full everywhere. Tomorrow now, if they say they no go school, now una go sit down, lazy youths. How these people go get job if they no go school? And how will they go to school if they cannot afford the school fees? Una no just fit sit down. See una dey do something right for once. Since when this man sit down on top that seat, I dey sure say na only the first 3 months wey Buhari dey that seat, e just dey good nice things. Why? Because that time he dey try win us. Since that time, because if I remember very well, some countries, citizens of those countries, their school fees, they dey like half of wetin foreigners dey pay. But not be for Nigeria. Nigeria, if you like be foreigner, if you like be citizen, you go still pay the same amount. Una no even dey consider say people dey suffer. Una sure say Buhari know the meaning of democracy? If yes, how come we no dey practice am? No, make una go ask am. Go ask am say you know the meaning of democracy. Una go see say you no go even fit answer una, because I no dey even see wetin we dey practice for Nigeria. Wetin me I even dey wait for now. That big head, Lai Mohammed, he go come outside now come dey tell us Buhari security is the best. I dey wait for that im mouth make he come tell us now. Me and am today, Buhari security is the best. Like this, people, children. No wonder people don't even give up on education. People don't give up on education. Now someone come meet me. He say, Madam Apokusi, he better make am spend my school fees, take chop ECAU. Una know wetin be ECAU? Goat head. Than to go pay school fees. Now wetin he talk? Because he say na waste. Ngwa no to go school problem. If you even manage, let's say God even help you pass school to get job, problem. Now only headsmen and cows Buhari just dey chase. Don't forget reason why sit down on top that seat. My people, I beg. Me, the advice wey me I get for una, make una no stop dey push. You understand? I no say e no dey easy. Most times e dey hard like now. But no give up on your dream. Anything wey you know say you don pray to God or you don plan say you go do, no give up. No look all this nonsense wey these people dey do. E go soon end. You understand? Keep on pushing even if it's small. At the end of the day, we go see the light. You understand? Now my own advice be that. And people, now the matter be this one don't bring you now. So I want to know what you now still think concerning this our president and the people. You understand? I want to know what you now think. Drop out for the comment section because it is very, very important. And share this video. If you never subscribe, I beg, see my hand. You understand? Subscribe. It is very important. If not, you will miss anything when we drop. Love you guys. See you later.